Hey everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share with you the roadmap if you want to become a full stack or SDET automation in 2024. So many of the people in the live sessions, they have asked us this question. What is the roadmap? What is the way to become a test automation engineer, full stack automation engineer or SDET engineer in 2024? So here is the roadmap. And these are few of the points that I feel should be incorporated. But if you feel that there are other additional points that one should be following, then you can go ahead and put in the comment section of the video. Okay. So this is a roadmap for becoming a full stack or QA automation tester in 2024. So first of all is before jumping into the automation, it is very important you should know about software testing. You should know what is manual testing. You should be familiar with the testing fundamentals. Get familiar with agile scrum methodologies, use Jira for the project management, explore bug tracking tools as per project requirements. So these are very important things that you should be familiar with software testing before diving into the automation. One more thing that you should be comfortable is the programming. So you need to dive in, you need to learn about the programming fundamentals, and I would suggest learn Java first and then Python. So Java should be your first priority, Python should be your second priority. It is optional if you want to learn JavaScript or not, right? Then understand data structures for efficient coding. In case of web automation, you need to learn Selenium, you need to learn Cypress, right? You can learn Cucumber for BDD framework, you can learn data-driven framework, keyword-driven framework. These things are very important, right? And then the database testing. So how to use Selenium for database automation, how to use JDBC for Java database connectivity, right? Then you also need to master SQL for database queries. Once these things are done, then you can jump to API automation. In case of API automation, first you should know about Postman. Postman is an open source tool, right? It's not fully open source, but yes, most of the features you would get in the open source itself. And you should explore Postman more, because once you know how to do API testing manually, then and then only you would be able to understand which are the parameters that you need to take care via automation for API automation, right? So this is about API automation. Then for mobile automation, you need to learn APM. So that is again very important thing, important tool that you need to see. And then from performance testing point of view, you need to learn you need to learn JMeter, right? So JMeter is important and Gatling is important for performance testing. In case of security testing, you need to have good hands-on experience with respect to Bubsuit. So Bubsuit is a very popular tool and it is well known in the market as well for security testing. So that tool you can learn. And then you should have knowledge, you should have hands-on experience on CI/CD. So when I say CI/CD, so you need to understand Jenkins for continuous integration, continuous deployment, right? Get comfortable with Git and GitHub for version control, learn Docker for container management, how the pipelines are scheduled via CI/CD tools. So that is important. Then you need to learn third-party tools like Sikuli, which is used for image automation. Then AutoIT, which is used for desktop-based automation. Then Apache POI, which is used for automation using Excel files, right? So that is also very important. And then you can also deep dive into the cloud testing. For example, you can learn about AWS, Rackspace. You can also learn about Sauce Labs, right? And at the end, you need to have knowledge on microservice testing like JUnit, TestNG, Mockito, Spring Boot for microservice testing, right? So these things are very important if you want to become a full stack QA automation tester in 2024. So here is a roadmap, and many of you were requesting this roadmap from me. So I have prepared this roadmap, and few of the points have been taken online as well from other resources, from other sources. And then this particular document has been created so as to give you a clear understanding, a crisp understanding of how you can become a full stack QA automation tester in 2024, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.